Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And hit that notification bell. Sesame Street, Grover's guessing game about animals. And join me after the story for mail time. See what I got sent in the mail. I, Grover, am thinking of a cute and adorable animal that is furry and has whiskers. It purrs when it is happy. Can you guess which animal Grover is thinking about? Did you guess a kitty cat? You are so smart. Now I am thinking about another animal. This animal moves slowly and has a hard shell. Can you guess which animal Grover is thinking about? Did you guess a turtle? Very good. The next animal is furry and cute and adorable. It has long ears and hippity hops on its strong legs. Can you guess which animal Grover is thinking about? Did you guess a bunny rabbit? Okay, try this one. I, Grover, am now thinking about two animals. One animal has a furry brown mane and sharp teeth. He is sometimes called the king of the jungle. The other animal has a long tail and likes to stand on the heads of lions. Oh dear, I think I gave it away. Did you guess a lion with a monkey on its head? I am very impressed. Which animal is your favorite? Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. So I've got two packages to open today. So let's get started. Let's just put one off to the side here. Open this first one up and see what we got. All right, so looks like it's a package. Within a package here. Get this out. All right. Trusty scissors again. All right. Oh, looks like another National Geographic book. So, let's see. So it's once again from my friends at Media Masters Publicity, and it looks like they sent me another National Geographic Kids. Make This. Building, Thinking, and Tinkering Projects for the Amazing Maker in You. That's awesome. I remember when I was a kid, I loved doing crafts. What a beautiful book. You can't go wrong with the National Geographic books. I always say this. They're just, the pictures, they're just so educational. They're just wonderful, amazing, beautiful books. So this one, from building a kaleidoscope or designing a fidget spinner to creating a musical instrument or planting a rainforest. So it's packed with creativity-boosting projects for all kinds of kid creators. Oh, wow. Sounds great. Actually, this would be great, too, for this time of year when it's cold. Everyone's having these big winter storms, and it's cold outside, and nobody wants to go anywhere. This would be the best book to grab and do some of these crafts. A lot of these you can actually do in the summer, too. It looks like there's a lot of summer crafts as well, but also, you know, gives you something to do on a cold winter day. So yeah, so that's that one. That looks amazing. Now let's open up this other one here. Looks like it's another book from my friends at Media Masters again. Thank you so much, Media Masters, for sending me these beautiful books. So this one is titled Who? It's time for Mouse's surprise party, but Owl's glasses are broken. It's a good thing you came along. Can you use the clues to help Owl figure out which guest is at the door? Who could it be? Let's take a look. Oh, what cute illustrations. I love those colors. Now I can see all of you. Woohoo, quack, quack, hiss, hiss. New glasses. What a beautiful, beautiful book. What a beautiful, beautiful book. Looks amazing. Wonderful. There's the authors there. So thanks again to my friends at Media Masters Publicity for sending me these 2 beautiful books. They're amazing. I'm going to be giving them away pretty soon. I'm actually going to be doing another book giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So these will all be included in the book giveaway. And like I said, you can't go wrong with any one of these titles. They look like 2 gorgeous books. All right, well, thank you so much for sticking it through to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Sesame Street stories, check out my Sesame Street playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.